How to share a Spotify account with friends. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you were signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on your profile name you see there. You will then be led to your profile. Here, tap on the share icon and further, choose the platform where you want to share your account with friends and then select their name. For instance, I will send in WhatsApp. So simply I will tap on the WhatsApp option you see there and then tap on the open option and further select the friend whom I want to send my Snapchat profile. And with this, as you can see, the account has been shared. So this is how you can share a Spotify account with friends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.